I think you start. Oh man.
Hey y'all. The most expensive thing you'll ever pay is attention to the wrong people. Hey John, what we about to do?
We're about to head down to the wedding. We're about to hear two individuals share their nuptials.
Wow. Okay, so I put a poll question up there. How much are you worth? What kind of responses you think we're gonna get?
I'm curious. I'm really curious to see, because I think, like you always talk about, mindset. It goes back to mindset. It goes back to what your own, or what the individual's own perception of oneself is.
Yeah, so I'm thinking that people are gonna give me some real interesting answers. Most people tell me they know their worth. Huh? What do you think?
I mean, I think that's an easy defensive response.
Ooh.
If you say, how much are you worth?
Yeah.
Well, I'm worth this.
Yeah.
I'm worth that.
Yeah.
And I think it's easy for somebody to react versus take time and then respond to that question, really based off maybe intellect, based off a variety of different things. But I don't want to say too much, because I don't want to lead people on to giving them the answer of what they should say.
Okay, John, there's someone we know. There's Miss Ann, okay? Ann is here. Miss Anna is here, okay? Miss Anna, how much are you worth? What's your worth, okay? We know her. She's part of our team, and we're glad to see you, ma'am. Okay? All right, so, as a worthologist, I'm looking forward to seeing you all spell it out, okay? Spell it out, okay? So we're about to run down. We're going to be checking back in later. Any closing comments, John?
Make sure to leave it down in the comment section. What is your worth? Comment what your worth is. Comment what you feel that you're worth, because we want to know. We're curious to hear, because it's not a trick question, and there's no wrong answers.
Right.
However, it's just time for you to write your worth, so let us know. Write it down in the comments.
Write your worth. I like that.
Yep,
and guess what? If they want to get on our list, if you really want some help in knowing your worth and writing your worth, text the word worth to 66866. Text the word worth to 66866. Okay, John, give us that closing line.
Well, I'm going to close it out. We'll close it out like you.
No. I want your closing line.
Okay, well, my closing line on the podcast is always TEDx speaker and best-selling author Jonathan Jones reminding you to speak your success, believe in your greatness, and continue to create the life and business of your dreams.
There it is, right there, my friend.
Why would you want to live any other way?
Why would you want to live any other way? There it is, my friend. And you know what I'm going to tell you. The most expensive thing, and you know why it's expensive? Because it affects your worth, that you will ever pay, is attention to the wrong people. We got to get downstairs here. Bye-bye.